Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best George Foreman style grills in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is George Foreman 4-serving removable plate grill. Enjoy the delicious and fast-roasted food with this indoor electric grill. This rapid grill series serves 4 people with a 30st heat supply. With this grill, you can easily roast tasty burgers, chicken, fish, panini, vegetables, and more. So, if you too are ready to enjoy delicious grilled foods, then you should check out this grill by George Foreman. This model removes 42% of fat with its sloped surface that makes it durable for cooking all your favorite meats healthier. A 60 SQ in surface cooks maximum food at one time and gives you ease for cleaning. The plates are not just detachable but dishwasher safe too. The light indicator lets you monitor the state of the meal inside the grill. Its light indicator tells you when your grill is plugged in and when the grill is preheated. Number 2. Our second best pick is George Foreman GGR50B 12+ servings electric grill. This 15-serving grill has a roomy surface that prepares delicious meals 3-5 stir. This is how real food is created. The 240 square inches cooking surface with non-stick coated plates lets you cook with less fat. However, the plates are tough, easy to clean, and removable. Apart from this, the model comes with adjustable temp control that lets you pick from 5 heat settings. To get the best result every time, you can adjust the temperature as per your need. It has removable stands that make it convenient from patio to countertop in less time. Its high domed and aromatic lid helps create a circular flow of hot air to ensure even cooking. Number 3. Our third best pick is George Foreman 5-serving removable plate grill. This version of George Foreman Grill can fit 5 servings at once. Removable plates have been added for proper cleaning with a great ceramic coating that makes it 5 times more durable, fade-resistant and stain-resistant. This grill comes with all the unique features and aspects that make your grilling enjoyable. It has sloping slopes and a drip tray that helps make the food fat-free. With the light indicator, you will get to know its cooking state. The light turns green means that your food is ready to be served. Its adjustable hinges also allow for grilling any size of food. The footprint of the grill makes it fit on any countertop. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is George Foreman GGR5050B multi-plate Evolve Grill. The 3-in-1 capabilities and simple digital controls of this model will change your cooking style. Its durable ceramic plates let you grill steak, chicken, fish, and herbs with 42% less fat. The grill is designed with the mindset to keep your food tasty while keeping you fit. Its removable drip tray collects all the extreme fat and grease during cooking. This model comes with a non-stick grilling surface, waffle plates, and ceramic-coated grill plates that let you try different meals. Other than this, its digital temperature controller delivers a max of 500 degrees Fahrenheit heat to give you restaurant-type results at home. The floating hinge serves you thick cuts of meat and adjusts your food quickly. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is George Foreman 9-serving basic plate electric grill. This kitchen appliance will change the grilling game ever. The George Foreman Classic Electric Grill delivers fast grilling with delicious outcomes. With this, you can grill steak, burgers, chicken, veggies, sandwiches, and more for 9 members. The surface is capable enough to let you use less oil. The tough non-stick coating on the plates makes the grill easy for cleaning every time you use it. What's more, it has a dual light indicator that lets you know when the meal is prepared and being grilled. However, the floating hinge enables you to adjust foods of all sizes. Unfortunately, it has no heat control knob, so you have to look after it while plugging in to avoid overcooking. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.